Today, I'm going to show you how to use Minder to automate the configuration and security posture of your source code repos. Let's take a look at how this works. So first, I'm going to log into Minder, and my next step is to register my repositories. This isn't my first time using Minder, so I've already granted it access to my GitHub. Because I want to apply the same configuration across all my repos, I'm going to select them all, but you could, of course, select a subset of them. Next, I'm going to come click on this Profiles tab to add a profile. And we can see here that Minder includes a pre-configured policy template or profile for repository security that includes common GitHub settings like code scanning, and secret push protection. So let's go ahead and apply this profile. Now let's say I also want to add some other rules here. I'll click on Add Rule, and now I can browse Minder's pre-written rule types. I'm going to add a rule here to enable branch protection on my repos and specify that pull requests have to be reviewed by code owners. And I'll do this for my main branch and require that pull requests are reviewed. I'll also add a rule that makes sure that Dependabot is enabled so that my dependencies can always be up to date. And my package ecosystem is Python. The final thing that I'm going to do here is turn on automatic remediation. And this allows Minder to make sure that the rules that I just set up are continuously enforced. So now that this is set up, let's take a look at how this works from the developer perspective. Here we can see one of the repositories that I registered earlier, and I've come to the settings and the branch protection rules. And here I can see that I have a branch protection rule, the one I specified earlier, applied to my main branch. I could come and delete this and add my authenticator code. And this means that somebody could come and rewrite history on my main branch. Except, since we previously turned on the auto remediation in Minder, if I refresh this page, I can see that Minder has already put the branch protection rule back in place. So that's a quick demo of how Minder can help you automatically apply your desired configuration to your repos and make sure that it always stays in place. Going forward, when I add new repos to this profile, my configuration will automatically be applied, and I won't have to do any manual work or worry about configuration drift. Minder is totally free to use for public repos, so I encourage you to try this out with your projects and let us know what you think.